One of my favorite hobbies since childhood has been playing video games. A few years ago, after moving to the US, I could finally afford to buy my first console. Since then, I've had the opportunity to play fantastic video games like Animal Crossing, Mario Bros, and Zelda, which entertain me for long hours. An accomplishment that is very important to me was when I sold my first art piece in a gallery. I was supposed to make a piece of a Disney villain, and I chose Maleficent. While sending the piece to California, I did not have any expectation of it selling. I just did it because it was something I wanted to do. Luckily, it sold, and that filled me with joy. Something that I would like to learn in this class is to build my brand. I haven't put a lot of effort in the past to help me grow in aspects like social media. Even though a built-up community could help me improve my art sales, this is something that is really difficult to me as I mostly do art because I enjoy doing it. Online learning has been positive for my education, work, and personal life. Since I have to stay at home for school, I have to drive less, which is beneficial to my economy and also allows me to dedicate time to other activities. Another aspect is that it allows me to spend more time with my service dog, who is always by my side while taking a test or submitting an assignment that causes me anxiety.